Hi there, my name is Gabrielle. I am the owner of the Innovative Learners, and I wanted to come on to show you our new program, our Nail Design Workshop program. We are offering this to students as young as 7 and up, and we are very excited to host this at our co working space in Chicago. It is in Hyde Park, and the address is 6127 University Avenue. And I wanted to showcase some of the things that your child could possibly be doing. This one is an ode to the nail, a ode to the hair salon. You can see the braids that a student designed this, a fifth grader, and she did a really good job. Here's another one. You can actually put gems on their actual nails, but typically, just like this picture, these are press ons, so students will be designing their own press ons, taking home a new set and starting with a new set. They might do two sets depending on how fast, or they may do one set. They have the autonomy to create as much as they want. We'll give them some guidance around some ideas and some inspiration, and we'll teach them some techniques, and they can apply them and make some beautiful nails like this. I believe this one is done by a third grader. This is by one of our more advanced students. These are press on nails, but you can see the designs are a lot more intricate, 3D. We incorporated some charms on here. So it's very creative, and whatever the student wants, we can make it happen. The details, so this will be from June 15th through June 18th, 3:30 to 5 p.m. in Hyde Park at our co-working space. It is 375. We have 8 spots available, and it's for students 7-year-old and up. I believe that those are incoming second graders. If you're like, oh, I'm not available that day, don't worry. We have another workshop coming up, July 27th through the 30th, and you can register for that one before it fills up as well. I can't wait to see you there, and I can't wait to see all the fun designs that your kids make.